Tonight for dinner, we're having chili in the crock pot. This is in my cookbook on page 96 right here. Y'all, this is so easy, super simple, picky kid approved, and you're not gonna wanna eat it any other way because I'm telling you, it's so good every single time. Let me show you how to do it. Get your crock pot. All right, you need 1.5 pounds of ground beef. The only thing that I seasoned this with was a big ass spoonful of garlic in the bowl. Make sure you drain your grease before you put it in there. You need 4 cans of the mixed chili beans. I promise this is a lifesaver. You don't have to buy a bunch of different cans of beans, okay? It's all in this can. 4 of them in the bowl. My recipe does feed 8 to 10 people. Now, we always have leftovers, no matter what. And I still make it the same amount every single time. And that's just because we love leftovers, and I have multiple different recipes that I will use this with as well. So trust me, if you're only feeding a couple people, still make this much because I got you covered on leftovers. No waste around here. All right, 1 can of Rotel, juices and all, in the bowl. All right, you're gonna season it with some onion powder. Measure with your heart. And some pepper. All right, I'm out of beef broth, but normally I do 1 cup of beef broth, but I'm gonna use bouillon cubes and some water and make my own. 1 cup. All right, 1 cup of beef broth in the bowl. All right, now you need 1 package of chili seasoning in the bowl. Give it a good mix. All right, put the lid on that hoe. You can cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours or low for 6 to 7. And we're going to do high for 4 to 5, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. All right, it's done. I'm going to make our plates, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so look like that. I don't know if y'all can really see. I'm afraid to tilt it too far. I'm going to bring you closer. Oh, yeah. All right, and we just top it with shredded cheese. This is Colby Jack cheese that I shredded up. We just put it right on top, and we eat it with crackers. Saltine crackers and club crackers. Everybody has a little bit of different choices in this house, but that's just what we like. And that's it, y'all. Chili is what's for dinner. Y'all try it out. Let me know what you think. I hope you have a good night, and we'll catch you later. Bye.